Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. Today in this video we will see how to change the sentence case, how to change the text of a sentence from normal case to sentence case. It means that if a text is written in irregular format, for example, a small letter capital or a small, I want to see this in the properly in the sentence case. So how will I do this? I will tell you about how you can do this. Before that, I would like you to please subscribe to my channel, to like all of my videos upcoming now, and this also on YouTube and also on Facebook. So this amazing trick we are going to see. Let's start. So we will use this formula equals to upper and bracket left bracket, and then we will refer to this, and then one, and then double bracket close, then and lower, then bracket right, then bracket again, refer to this, then length, then again refer to this, then bracket close, then minus 1, then bracket close. So you can see over here that I am going to pass this formula, and we'll check this. So this formula has you can see that completely changed the view of this upper irregularly written text. So this text, the above written text, is now properly converted into a sentence case. So it was not by default available in Excel to convert any text to a sentence case, but with the help of using this formula, we did this amazing thing happen. So to get more and many more exciting videos like this, keep watching our channel, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.